Hey everyone, it is time for another book flip through of Mythographic. This is the latest release called Dragonspell. Now this is from Joseph Kattenbang. He's actually one of my preferred artists. Him and Fabiana Attanasio are pretty much auto buys when it comes to mythographics. However, I'm very curious to look at this because the last few, if you look at my last few flip throughs and reviews of Mythographic, I've been like really disappointed and then end up returning them. So I'm nervous. But it is one of my preferred artists, so I'm hoping we'll have better luck. The cover, I would just like to point out, is absolutely stunning. I mean, everything just stands out so beautifully. So let's see. All right. We still have the thick paper, perforated edges. I do talk during my book reviews. If you don't like that, mute me. So here we go. So this matches the cover image. All right. Single-sided. Ooh, that would be really fun. It's like those telephone booths in like London and England or whatever. Or I think of England when I see those. Okay. Ooh. That's pretty. Oh, of course, the jets are flying by. Oh, for Pete's sake. Sorry, guys, it's spring, which means they get out and start practicing. Oh, that one's nice. Not sure he's gonna catch it with that little net, though. Ooh. Dragons and their gold. Oh, that one's pretty. Okay, so far I think we're doing good. Like I said, I was nervous because the last few encounters of these books, I'm like, oh. Right. Well, that's interesting. It's wrapped around what, a flute? Don't know if I would color that page, I'm not gonna lie. The one I just showed you, the flute. Ooh, this would be fun. Dragon Warrior. I love the way he does flowers and leaves, just FYI. Well, that's cool. It's almost like he's seeing that, like, the opposite world. It'd be really fun to do this all bright and then, like, this all dark. Really dark colors. Like the underworld. Ooh, this would be fun for Halloween. I'm seeing all sorts of purples, blacks, and greens. Pretty. I don't normally color dragons. That's really pretty. I've just now realized by looking at this book. Thankfully, not every page is dragons, but no, I just realized I don't recall doing a lot of dragons. I did one in a Kirby Rosanus book. Oh, that's cool. But yeah, I'm trying to think, when's the last time I colored a dragon? Oh, that's really neat. Look at that. That's cool. Just hanging out. Dragon candy. Oh, I like that. That one's cute too. I like that one as well. So far, we are off to a good start. Lots of crystals in this one, but honestly, I don't know if I'd color. Well, maybe if I just did it with ink tints or watercolor pencils. Ooh, that's cool. That one's pretty cool too. Like some of these are just very complex, which, I mean, that's just mythographic for you. This would be really fun to color, by the way. So you have to be like in the mood for some of those. Oh my gosh, I love this one. I love this one. Breathtaking. That's a really cool one too. Where do these guys come up with this stuff? I like this one. I don't know why, but I really like coloring luggage. It stands out to me on pages. Any book. I love this one. Oh my gosh, I love this one so much. Ooh, okay. That'd probably be like the first page I colored in this book. Not gonna lie. That one's really cool too. I don't know if I'm feeling this one. Just too much going on. And I hate this type of snowflake. I would erase it. Same with this one. I don't know. That's a weird one. Interesting. And that is it. Wow. Ooh, check out that Dragon Warrior. All right, so that is Dragonspell. Well, I'm not going to return it because there was definitely more yeses than nos. Normally, if I like 90% of a book, I'm going to keep it. It'd be ridiculous to expect me to like 100%, though there are some books out there where I'm like, oh my gosh, every page. But I think there's only like 5 of those. So 90% and I keep it. Under 90, no. But I'm definitely keeping this one. I'm curious how many of you did the pre-order, if you're waiting for flip-throughs. What do you think of it? Are you going to buy it, keep it, return it? Yeah, like I said, I was so nervous because lately Mythographic has been a big disappointment, and then I'm like always returning them. And then in my reviews saying, sorry guys, I don't like it. And then I feel bad. So love to know what you guys think. And until next time, take care. Bye now.